Let's see how to download the Blackmagic camera on your MacBook. For now, I'm using MacBook Neo, but same process for almost all the models. First, turn on the Wi-Fi and open the App Store. Click the search bar and type Blackmagic camera. Search. Here you can see that. You just open that. It's like 200 megabytes. So I already installed. And the important thing you need to know is the compatibility. The requirement is on your Mac, you require Mac OS 14 or later versions, and also a Mac with Apple M1 chip or later. In case if your MacBook was not using M1 chip, you don't need to worry about that because it's a MacBook Neo. It's A19 chip, I think. It comes under the later option. To know which chip your Mac is using, you need to click the Apple and about this Mac. Here you can see MacBook Neo, which is my model name, and chip Apple A18 Pro. So it's not a M1 chip, but it's later versions of Mac, so I can easily download that. So in case if you couldn't able to download, you need to update your software of your MacBook to use this facility. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.